Do you want to achieve sculpted and defined muscles to get the perfect silhouette? Well, you clicked on the right video because in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your total protein calories so that you can get the body that you want faster. So the first thing that we need to understand is knowing how many total calories that we need in a day. Understanding your total calories that you need in a day is super important for things like brain health, cognitive function, and performing daily tasks all throughout your day. In order to make this easier, I'm going to break this down into an equation of BMR. First thing that we need to do is take 10 times our weight in kg plus 6.25 times our height minus 5 times our age in years minus 161. From here, you'll get your total BMR calories, which are the calories that you burn at rest. The next thing that we need to focus on is our total activity level. So for this example, I'm going to stick with moderately active. I'm going to be taking the total BMR calories from the last equation times 1.55 to finally get our total daily calories. Now that we have this total daily calorie amount, we can now understand basic things like grams. The most easiest way to understand this is to look at something like a nutrition facts label. Usually in each product, there will be a total amount of grams of protein per serving. 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories. So we're going to be taking that times the total amount of grams in the product per serving. We'll then have the total protein calories that we are consuming in that serving of that product. When we do these little equations of food regularly, we are teaching our brain how to add up grams and protein and getting more aware of calories so that we are making sure that we are getting more protein to our muscles and our system. But basically, adding up all these calories is going to help us to understand our total protein calories of our total daily calories.